Hey everyone, it's Joey here, back at it again with another balloon arch tutorial. The balloon arch we're building today I sell as my small balloon arch, which does not have an internal frame, is held together by ribbon or fishing line, and weighted down on each side with two softball-sized double balloons filled with water. I also have tutorials for two other sized balloon arches with internal frames, a medium arch and a large arch. Check out those when you're done. This small arch is the first balloon arch I ever learned how to make, and it remains the cheapest method I've come across. The small balloon arch is for indoor events only. It does not do well outdoors since it doesn't have an internal frame. If you're familiar with building balloon decor, you'll notice my basic building block is a quad, or a cluster of 4 balloons tied together. To make a quad, I blow up 2 balloons at once and tie them together. I'll do the same thing again so that I have 2 pairs and connect them together to make a cluster of 4. When I'm ready to attach my quad to the balloon arch, I flatten it and add it to my strand of quads by placing it in the creases of the previous quad and securing it by wrapping ribbon around each quad and pulling it snug. This arch is going to be 30 quads, so 120 balloons total, but you can make yours smaller or larger depending on what you're going for. If you make it larger, just remember that it does not have an internal frame, so there's a chance that the top of your arch may start to droop down. You can also use different sized balloons with this method. Here's an example of a 4-foot Valentine's Day heart that I used 5-inch balloons to create. I also have a tutorial for this heart if you feel like making something sweet for somebody. And by the way, don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my channel and it's a great way for you to show your support. Once I have 30 quads attached to each other in a long strand, it's ready to set up. I thought this arch was going on the stage, that's why I built it here, but the event host arrived after I began my construction and let me know she wants it placed outside the doors of the auditorium. I've attached one of my double ballooned weights to the left-hand side. That's what I'm holding with my right hand. This side should stay in place when I set it down. Luckily, this balloon arch is super light and malleable, so you can generally carry it by yourself, but it never hurts to have 2 people carry it to make sure you're keeping it off the floor where it could pop. Sometimes it's easier to only attach one of the water balloon bases, so it's easier to move if needed. Once I have the relative positioning correct, I'll add my second double ballooned water weight to the other side to secure both sides of the arch. You can finagle your arch into the shape you're desiring by adjusting the base placement, pushing, pulling, bending, twisting, and bopping your arch. Check out the navy balloons on this arch. You can see in some spots there are black balloons instead of navy. That's because these actually aren't navy balloons. These are 2 balloons layered to create a color combination of the 2 of them. The color combination I'm using is an opaque electric blue with a black balloon on the inside. An easy way to double up your balloons is to stick a pin inside your first balloon and use that to fit your first balloon into your second balloon. Now when I inflate the 2 balloons together, I have a brand new color that's a mixture of the 2 colors I was originally using. I can get rid of the black balloons that are showing on my balloon arch due to the outer layer of blue balloon popping and replacing it with another navy blue balloon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's a super small, free way that you can show your support. You can subscribe to my channel for some more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. Let me know in the comments below what content you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you next time.